Internet chapter 2, and this is computer application, as you all know. Chapter 2 of the computer application is dealing with the application of the internet. As you have done, okay, what is internet in the first chapter. Now in this chapter we will learn how can we use the internet, means for how many purposes we can use the internet. You all know that in nowadays in every field computer is playing a big role. You can say कि without computer we cannot live our life. बिना computer के हमारी life संभव नहीं है. As in this pandemic periods, all we are learning with the help of computer and internet. So computer as well as internet, both are the complement for each other. So without internet, computer is not completed nowadays, because internet playing a big role in each and every field of our life. So in this we are going to learn applications of internet. Applications of internet is covering all these topics like information retrieval. Yes children, as you all know that if you are getting the project, if you are getting other topics on any other life like cooking, like your creativity, like your craft, like your entertainment, you are getting the information with the help of internet. So the information retrieval is becoming very easy now. It has, you can say it's a very big library of the information. Library, like in our schools we are having a library related to our books, but computer or internet is a library which is covering the related to your book, related to your topic, related to your entertainment library, like you are getting the movies, like you are getting the series, so many things are you are getting. So it's a huge library of information. And then we are having the communications. Yes, as we are doing the communication with each other with the help of internet, so it has become the mode of communication between two people or between like a person and for the broadband communications. Next, we are covering the research and educations. Yeah, educations we are providing, e-learning you are getting it, research like scientists are doing their research. So research and education is also depending on the internet. So it is one application of your internet. Now next, health and medicines. Yeah, health and medicines. In health area, like we are getting many problems in our body, but we are not, even the doctors are not getting what the things is going on in our body. So computers playing a big role like MRI, CT scan, that we are getting the pictures of our body, what is the thing going on inside our body, that we are getting with the help of internet, because MRI machines are also dependent on the internet. Even many doctors are using the like helping hand as their robots. So all are commanding with the help of internet, all are controlling with the help of computer. Fine. And then entertainment. Yes, this is a big thing for you, because nowadays you are getting entertainment like in your holidays or like in these days. If you are feeling bored, then there is no need to go for any other room, any other place, any other persons, because online you are doing your like games, playing games. As you are knowing that Ludos are also playing with the help of internet. So it is playing a very big role in the entertainment also. Like you are downloading your movies, you are downloading your songs. Songs makes you relax you. Movies that you want to watch in your like boring period, it makes it do entertainment for you. And then the last one is the e-commerce. Yes, nowadays as we are getting problems for going outside because of COVID-19, so social distancing is also maintaining, and for this we are doing e-commerce, like we are doing e-shopping, shoppings through the wires, like electronic shopping, e-banking. Yes, we are paying money with the help of e-commerce, with the help of e-banking. We are having many apps related to banks. Each and every banks are having their apps, so we are using them. And then e-ticketing. Yes, if you are going somewhere, then you can ticket your like your railway ticketing and your air ticketing can be possible with the help of. So these will come into the e-commerce. Now come to the first point. This is the information retrieval, and information retrieval it requires two ways. There are two ways with the help of information can be retrieved. The very first is by using search engines. Yes, no need to like explain it more because I know that you all are very much familiar about the search engines, because search engines, there are Google is the very most popular search engine. Yahoo, Alta Vista, Wings, Ask, many search engines nowadays we are using for getting the informations. And the search engine done in the two parts like crawling and indexing. Yeah, when you give any keyword in a search box, what will it do? First, it will create on the websites, like on web servers. On web servers, it creates a indexing of that. Don't show you. It creates its own web servers, and after this, it provides the answer on your web browser. Yes, on web browser is providing the answer. That is the list you are getting because of your search keyword. So whatever we are giving in the search box, that is called the keyword. And keyword is first crawling and indexing the data on the web server, and after this it providing the answer on your web applications, and this is called the providing the answer. Now tips for searching. If you are doing the searching, what the tips you have to follow. The very first tip क्या है? That is the type of keywords or characters that you all know, and you all know how to do the searching. You just type your keywords or characters in the search box that you want. But second thing is that be specific. That means what? The keyword should be specific. Suppose I want to know the information related to the computer softwares, then you have to write the computer softwares. Don't write computer science, don't write computer application. Yeah, don't write only computer. You have to be very specific what the information you want to search. As well as if you want to search more than one topic, then you have to use and, like computer software and computer hardware. That means what? It would give the computer software related pages, web pages and websites, and computer hardware also it would give the specific list of that. And then or that means what? It would give the list both the topics on the screen. List of their like computer hardware or software. That means it would show the list either the web page is related to the software or related to the hardware. So then we are using the or. Not. Yeah, not is working like I want the computer software, but not you want to give application software. You want to search only system softwares. Then you have to use a not. Like computer software and write not application software. Then it won't show the list of the application software. It would show the list only the related to the computer softwares. Those are related to the systems. Next tips is to look for exact word, put them in double quotes. Really, you have to put the double quotes before the keywords and after the keyword. Then it would search the specific information on the websites, on the web server. And then order. Yeah, order is also counted. Order means suppose you want to search computer hardware, comma, computer software, comma, like this, then you have to give the order of that. So it would search according to the order. Why pehle it will search computer hardware, then computer software, then computer related to the electronic items. Fine. Now the next is minus sign. Yeah, minus is work like a not. Minus work like a not. मैंने क्या कहा था? What is that? कि if you are searching for the computer software but not related to the application software, then that, you can just write the not or you can put the minus sign before the application software. Fine. And not case sensitive. Yeah. Search engines are not case sensitive. If you are writing in a capital letter or a small letter, it works. Fine. Now searching for people using the internet. As we are doing the searching, so people can also be searched with the help of different websites like www.whitepages. Like we were having yellow pages when we were not having the internet and those things. When we were having yellow pages diaries, so those yellow pages are having the list of the particular area or particular cities, people's name, their phone numbers, their address. Same way we are having the whitepages.com on the internet. It is a directory. www.spokeo.com, www.peoplesmart.com and www.peoplefinder.com. These are the different types of directories or searches for the people. Now